Hey guys, it's Caleb with MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I want to do a walkthrough video on this 2024 Sea Ray 250 SDX. You'll see we got it in the quantum blue color, white accenting, stainless steel rub rail with the white insert. Matches really nice with the boat. You've got the quick fender clips here as well. Actuated tower with the quantum blue accenting up there as well. Really sharp. Coming around to the back of the boat, see it's got the swim platform. It's the IO version. It'll come with Sea Ray swim step here. It's really handy. You got the ladder right next to it, but let's jump up inside. I'll show you the inside. I'm jumping onto the inside of the boat here. You'll notice the big swim platform back there. Huge sun pad here as well with the recliner. You can go both ways. You got USB ports either side for passengers, illuminated cup holders. You got storage on the walk through here as well. You got the cooler where you're standing, and then you got an extra one here. Battery switch easy access right here as well. It's got really nice LEDs under the seats here. Tons of storage underneath all those seats. You see the engine compartment here. This one is powered by 6.2 liter, 350 horsepower MerCruiser. Great for skiing, tubing, anything recreational. Moving up here to the front, you'll notice that all of these seats adjust as well. Open this up into a more conversational area. Got in-floor storage here for skis or knee boards. Up at the helm here, you'll notice it's got a massive 12-inch Simrad display. You got your mapping, gauge clusters, anything you want to see on that screen. Also got a Fusion stereo head here as well. Easy access to all your manual switches as well. You can do it on the dash or you can do it on the toggle switches there. Digital throttle here, very smooth in and out of gear. And then you got the upholstered seat here as well. Prop you up for docking. This model is really cool. It comes with an oversized head for a 25 foot. It's massive. You get the little cabin area as well if the little ones need a spot to take a break out of the sun, take a nap. Really convenient for family purposes. And then moving on to the bow, deep walk through here. Plenty of seating up here. Storage underneath side seats. You have a cooler slot underneath this seat. And then you also have a bow ladder and anchor up here as well. Super spacious. Yeah, if you guys are interested, we'd love to see you here. Visit us here at the store, give us a call. Again, this is Caleb from MarineMax Lake Norman. Hope to see you here soon.